In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run Android TV from USB on any PC. So, in order to install your Android TV from a USB flash drive with a plug and play on your PC or your TV, what you can do is you can head over right here. And this build is actually an Android TV ISO to USB drive so the PC can boot directly from it. You can add a persistent storage file like data.image so your app settings and accounts survive reboots. Boot this USB and compatible hardware without altering your internal disk. So this is useful because you can try Android TV on your exact hardware with GPU, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth with zero risk to your OS. It's portable so you can carry a mini streaming box in your pocket, which is great for older PCs that you want to repurpose. So the limitations is the Widevine L1 DRM, as well as hardware support varies with Wi-Fi and GPU. You can see in here the requirements for the flash drive, PC with UEFI or legacy BIOS, as well as softwares for Windows, as well as ZZip or 7-zip or WinRAR. You can also see in here the files for Android TV times 86 ISO from a suitable project below. So just install it from there and do take note to verify it as well. Now, make sure that you can only use this for educational purposes only, so I'm teaching it for that purposes as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.